In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add circle effect on image in Wix site circle layout. If you're looking to customize your Wix website and give your images a sleek, modern look, you're in the right place. Adding a circle effect to your images can create a clean and professional design that grabs your visitors' attention. Whether you're working on a personal blog, a business page, or an online portfolio, this simple design tweak can make a big difference. By the end of this video, you'll be able to apply this effect with ease and ensure your site looks polished and cohesive. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix homepage and enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the specific website you want to modify. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you select the one where you want to apply this design change. It's important to ensure you're working on the correct site, so take a moment to double check before proceeding. Next, open the Wix website editor for the site you've chosen. You'll find the editor option next to your site's name. Click on it, and it will load the editing interface, where you can make changes to your website's design and content. This is where we'll be focusing our efforts today. Once the editor loads, scan through your web page and locate the image you want to modify. This could be a profile picture, a product shot, or any other image that you feel would benefit from the circle design. When you've found the image, simply click on it to select it. You'll notice that a toolbar appears near the image as soon as it's selected. This toolbar gives you access to various design and editing options. With the toolbar visible, look for the design icon. This is typically represented by a paintbrush or a similar symbol. Click on this icon to access the design menu for the selected image. Once you're there, you'll be able to explore a range of design settings and presets. Scroll through the design settings to find the available presets. Wix provides a variety of options to customize your images, and one of these will be the circle design. Take your time to browse through the options until you come across the one labeled as the circle design. It's usually easy to spot, as it transforms your image into a circular shape in the preview. When you've located the circle design, click on it to apply the effect to your image. Instantly, the image will transform into a circle, giving it that polished look we're going for. This step is where the magic happens, and you'll see the difference immediately. Now that the effect has been applied, you might need to make some adjustments. You can move the image around or resize it to better fit your web page layout. This step ensures that the image aligns perfectly with the rest of your content and doesn't disrupt the overall design of your site. Wix's drag and drop interface makes this part easy and intuitive, so feel free to experiment until you're happy with the result. If you have additional images on your site that you'd like to style in the same way, repeat the process for each one. Consistency is key when it comes to web design. So applying the circle effect across multiple images can help create a unified and professional look for your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a circle effect to your image in Wix, and you now know how to repeat the process for other images. This simple design choice can make a big impact on your site's overall appearance, helping it stand out and look more cohesive. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.